This beautiful community is nothing short of what makes us stay true to our brand authenticity and commitment to delivering the best. Our homes are built with you in mind, as we pride ourselves in providing amenities that are not only essential in a modern home, but also contribute to your health and well-being. We all have that dream home in mind, as a unique neighborhood for you and your loved ones to create a living experience that provides safety, peace and tranquility, an entertaining and a warm family life, relaxation and wellness.
I believe you're loving what you're seeing. It's a very lovely, beautiful estate. It's a beauty to behold, and everybody wants to have a piece of it. So, what do you think? Let's take a look at one of the units in this beautiful estate. Right? Guest toilets. This is the spacious. This is the first bedroom, okay, from the living room. Very spacious, very massive, very lovely. To the first bedroom, all ensuite. Okay, you have enough space to arrange everything: your cooker, your double door fridge, your TV, your AC, your gas cooker, your heat extractor. Can you see how spacious it is? Your washing machine. Let's go outside. Okay, and there's a bakery at the back. You can see from the kitchen, you come outside to a beautiful walkway at the back. At the back to this is the backyard. It's beautiful. Take a look at the kitchen rows. So from the sitting room, once again, we're going upstairs to see the remaining bedrooms. Okay. Okay, this is a family lounge. Very spacious again. Very spacious, you see. It's going to be like a study area, a mini study area. This is a bedroom. It's one of the bedrooms. Toilet. Just imagine. Just imagine. It's well finished. You agree with me that this place is well finished. That's the first bedroom. This is the second bedroom. From the first to the second, well finished as well. We're going to the masters right now, through the family lounge. This is the master's bedroom. Very lavishly spacious. You can furnish it to taste, or even more beautiful. So this is the walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. Walk-in closet. Masters, you can take a look. Okay, the estates. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? That's its balcony. Once again, it's balcony. Just for sample. Oh, I bet you want to have this already. And agree with me, this is the best deal in town, right? I bet. Beautiful. Wonderful. Now don't say again. The apartment sells itself. It's a very beautiful duplex, 4 bedroom, plus
Same
DK.
there. I've been
It
thinking
sells
and
itself.
thinking
It's a beautiful
I'm sorry about that.
estate. Man. You must not mix this. If you mix this, you have yourself to blame. Every finish that you can imagine, taste of quality is in here. Please, let us take you on a physical tour of this estate. Thank you very much.
We will be glad to help make your buying experience a seamless one.